Hello and welcome to another episode of Sun and Simplicity. Today you join us in the harbor Kremik, Marina Kremik in Croatia, in Primošten, and there is the Tesla. We drove down here because we don't pay for fuel and it's much more fun. And our boat we chartered is in the back there somewhere. We arrived midday at lunchtime.
We packed everything in the boat and now we went for dinner or lunch, actually something in between.
Yeah, and before that we took the boat over and got instructed and took our stuff to the boat, so yeah, we can start this adventure. And now we will enjoy the sunset on the boat and then go to sleep because we are all pretty tired, and tomorrow we will
check how the wind is going and see where it's taking us.
Yeah. Good morning. As you may see, we've found a new friend, our little kitty here. It was raining, as you also may have seen before. We slept like babies. It was so nice.
The boat was swinging all the time on the little waves.
Yeah.
So it was like sitting in a train
and rocking around slowly. Yeah, so we will get breakfast and then we will see where we head out to. We started this week off with our first day of sailing, which was just training and getting to know the boat and how everything works out, because every boat is a little bit different and has different mechanisms, and the sails work differently. And I never sailed a lazy bag style sailboat. That's the lazy bag, and the sail goes up on the main mast, and the sail drops in this bag and is kept there, and there's a zip tie so you can close it. So that's a lazy bag.
Simon and I also learned what's the lazy bag, the fender, the jib sail and the mainsail, what's leeward and windward and backward. Yeah.
So we started off with a chilled sail, I would say, with like, I don't know, 6 to 8 knots of wind and 3 knots of speed of the boat.
It was really calm and like easygoing. Yeah. Yesterday we had a little bit more wind, and we sailed about, I think, 6 or almost 7 knots, which is really fast.
Yeah, yesterday was a pretty good day. And today we will head out to the south, to
Trogir. It's direction split. We'll see how the wind goes.
Yeah, well, the wind is picking up right now, and I think we will have a pretty good sail.